Not all expenses are allowable for tax purposes. They must be wholly and exclusively for the property business. If your total property income receipts are below the VAT threshold, you can put your total allowable expenses in the Other Allowable Property Expenses box, with the exception of residential finance costs. Where an expense covers a non-rental and rental property, you'll need to adjust the amount so you only include the rental business proportion. For example, you have a shop with a rental flat above, only half the repairs to the roof are allowable. These are examples of allowable costs you can enter here. Only enter like-for-like repairs. Any improvement to the original is not allowed.